everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see which country is providing the highest salary for UX designers and also why. Why it is one of the highly paid jobs in that country. Let's get into the video. Before that, people who are IT professionals interested to move to US. Also, you are struggling to get the visa of EB2 and EB3 category. Is it taking a decade-long time for you to hold that? Don't worry about it. You don't need to depend on employers anymore, and you don't need to hold an employment to go to US. Yes, it is possible with EB1A visa, which is also known as Einstein's visa. Yes, Albert Einstein used this visa category to reach US and got his permanent residence. Out of 1 crore applications, only 14,000 applicants are getting selected via EB2 and EB3 category. But in EB1A visa, only 5% of the people are applying for it. And it's a bare minimum of that. Other categories of visa might take a longer time than expected. Maybe 3 to 4 years or 5 years. Like if you want to settle up there. If you want to extend your visa or leave your visa, it is not possible with other categories. But with this EB1A visa, it won't take more than 8 to 24 months. For that, you can take this extraordinary program by Kumara Sendil Muthuveli, who's an extraordinary mentor as well as EB1A achiever. This program will help you to guide throughout how to apply for this visa. This program will guide you throughout your preparation by providing the courses, bi-weekly webinars, community space, and other resources and templates. If you want to know more about it, schedule a call with Kumar for 15 to 30 minutes and get the details. And this visa is specially self-sponsored. Now let's see which countries are highly paying for UX designers. United States, $91,225. First place. Second is Australia, $58,598. Canada, $55,075. Germany, $53,065. China, $30,752. Why are the UX designers getting highly paid at the US? So what are the reasons? Let's see that first. Number 1 reason is demand for UX designers is very high there. More companies in the US invest in digital products and services. And number 2, it needs a specialized skill set, which UX designers have. Creative thinking, empathizing, user research, information architecture. So everything comes in one place. So it's very hard to get a very good talented UX designer. That's why they are getting higher salaries. And UX designers are the reasons of creating impact on business success. And one more logical reason is cost of living is very high in the US. Of course, they need to be paid high to manage all the high cost of living. And demand for skilled designers in the US job market is very high. If you want to explore out, you can maybe try this country as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.